In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2011 MCQs, that is real part of sin z, where z is equal to x plus iota y. Solution: since sin z is equal to sin into x plus iota y, so formula that is sin x cos iota y plus cos x sin iota y. So sin iota z is equal to iota sin hyperbolic z, and cos iota z is equal to iota cos hyperbolic z. So putting the values of equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1, so equation 1 becomes, that is sin z is equal to sin x cos hyperbolic y plus iota cos x sin hyperbolic y. The real part of sin z is sin x cos hyperbolic y, so option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.